All right, let's talk about something that drives pretty much every data professional crazy: scattered data. You know the drill, right? Sales data's here, marketing data's over there, and you spend half your life just trying to connect the dots. Well, today, we're going to dive into Microsoft Fabric's answer to that chaos, a component called OneLake. It's a total game changer, so let's break down how it actually works.
Okay, the absolute best way to get your head around OneLake is with this analogy right here. It's basically OneDrive, but for all your data. Yep, that's simple. Just like OneDrive is that one single spot for all your personal documents and files, OneLake is designed to be the one central hub for all of your organization's data. It's a brilliant comparison that just clicks.
So let's really dig into what that means. For forever, data has been stuck in these separate little boxes, right? Sales data in one database, marketing data in another, operations in who knows where. What OneLake does is it comes in and just smashes down those walls. It's built to be the single logical data lake for everything.
And if you want the official definition, here it is. But please don't get hung up on the word lake and think it's just a giant storage folder. No. It's the absolute foundation, the central hub for the entire Microsoft Fabric world. The words to remember here are single, unified, and logical. And that last one is huge. It means you have one copy of the data that everyone can get to, without making endless, messy duplicates all over the place.
This right here, this is the core DNA of OneLake. It's designed from the ground up to be that single source of truth. Every single tool in Fabric, whether you're doing heavy-duty data engineering or building slick Power BI reports, plugs right into it. It also has this amazing design pattern, the Medallion Architecture, baked right in. And maybe the best part, it's all built on the open Delta Lake format. That's a big deal, because it means you're not locked into some proprietary system.
That actually leads us perfectly to the Medallion Architecture. And listen, this isn't just some vague best practice someone wrote about in a blog post. This is a real, proven blueprint for structuring your data for success, and OneLake is built from the ground up to support it. It's how you bring order to the chaos of raw data.
And you know what? The concept is actually beautifully simple. It's all about organizing your data into 3 distinct layers, and each one represents a step up in quality and refinement. You start with bronze. That's all your raw, messy, untouched stuff. Then you move to silver, where things get cleaned up. And finally, you get to gold, which is your polished, business-ready data.
This table lays out that journey perfectly. So data first lands in the bronze layer, totally raw, just as it came from the source. You might use tools like data flows or pipelines for this. Then your data engineers roll up their sleeves. They use the heavy hitters like Spark or SQL to clean, standardize, and whip that data into shape, moving it into the silver layer. And the final step, that clean data gets aggregated and optimized into gold, the stuff that's ready to power your Power BI dashboards and your cool AI models.
Okay, so we've got the structure, the blueprint, but how does data actually move through these layers? Let's follow a piece of data on its journey, from its raw initial state all the way to a polished, super valuable asset. Getting data into that first bronze layer is super flexible, which is awesome. If you're an analyst who just needs to check something quick, you can literally just drag and drop a CSV file. For more robust, repeatable pipelines, you can use the super user-friendly point-and-click interface of Dataflow Gen 2. And for the pros who want total control, you can fire up a Spark notebook and code whatever you want. There's really an entry point for everybody.
Now, running underneath this entire system, the engine that makes it all tick is a technology called the Delta Lake format. So you might be asking, what's so special about Delta? Why is it the foundation for all of OneLake? Well, let's get into it because this part is really cool.
First and foremost, you get something called ACID transactions. Now that's a geeky database term, but what it means for you is simple: reliability. It brings the kind of safety you'd expect from a traditional database right into your data lake. It basically guarantees that when you're writing data, the whole operation works or none of it does. You never get half-saved, corrupted files. It's a lifesaver.
Okay, next up is a feature that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie: time travel. I'm not kidding. Delta Lake actually keeps a log of every single change you make to your data. This means you can literally query a table and ask, hey, show me what this data looked like last Tuesday at 3 p.m. Think about that. It's an absolute game changer for auditing, debugging pipelines, or recovering from that oops moment when someone accidentally deletes something important.
And finally, there's schema enforcement. Think of this as the strict bouncer at the door of your cleaned-up silver and gold layers. It checks every piece of incoming data. If a new data load doesn't match the expected structure, say it tries to put text in a column that's supposed to be all numbers, the operation gets rejected. This is absolutely critical for maintaining high-quality, trustworthy data that people can actually rely on.
So, we've ingested our data, we've cleaned it, we've structured it beautifully. Now, we get to the fun part, the whole reason we did all this work. How do we turn this well-managed data into actual business value with real analytics and AI?
This is where the magic really happens. Your pristine, analysis-ready gold data connects directly into your Power BI dashboards using this revolutionary new mode called Direct Lake. And get this, there's no data movement, no imports, no duplication. It's just a seamless, incredibly high-performance connection that works.
And this slide really nails why Direct Lake is such a massive deal. It is, hands down, the fastest way to connect Power BI to your data. Why? Because Power BI is literally querying the data files in OneLake directly. This means you can have near real-time dashboards, and you can build those powerful, complex semantic models on top, all without ever having to make another copy of your data. It's a true game changer.
But hey, it's not all about pretty dashboards. On a parallel track, your data scientists can take that clean, reliable silver data and use it to build a feature store. And that feature store becomes the fuel for training and deploying your machine learning models. Fabric provides that whole end-to-end environment for data science, all sitting on top of that same OneLake foundation.
Of course, let's address the elephant in the room. Having all your data in one place? Sounds kind of scary, right? And it's a valid concern. It's only a good idea if you can properly secure and govern it. For any enterprise, this is absolutely non-negotiable. So let's look at how OneLake handles security.
The great news is the governance capabilities are baked right into the platform. You control who gets to see what using the familiar Azure Active Directory roles you probably already use. You can apply sensitivity labels to automatically protect personal information. And with Purview integration, you get a full family tree for your data. You can see exactly where it came from, how it was transformed, and who is using it.
And to top it all off, the entire platform is compliant with all the major industry regulations you care about. We're talking GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC 2. This means you can be confident that you're building on a platform that meets the toughest security and compliance requirements out there.
Okay, let's bring it all home. If you remember anything, remember this. OneLake is a complete lakehouse, not just a big storage bucket. The Medallion architecture is a native feature, not some add-on. Those powerful Delta tables are the engine for everything from BI to AI. Direct Lake is your secret weapon for lightning-fast Power BI. And all that critical governance, it's handled for you right out of the box.
Which brings us to our final thought. For years, we've all been held back by data silos and clunky, complex integrations. But now, with a truly unified system that brings all your data and all your tools together in one place, those old limitations are just gone. The only question left is, what will you build?